What's the meaning of city? City. City.
City. City. A city is a highly populated urban area characterized by diverse economic, social, and cultural activities. Cities are typically the centers of government, commerce, industry, art, and education. They are often marked by their skyline of tall buildings and iconic landmarks that define their identity. In a city, people live, work, study, and play in close proximity. They are exposed to different lifestyles, viewpoints, and experiences, which make cities vibrant and dynamic places. However, cities also face challenges such as traffic congestion, pollution, housing affordability, and social inequality.